you're experiencing issues with Fortnite multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Fortnite completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and resolve minor glitches that may be causing the multiplayer issue. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block Fortnite from connecting to the internet. Check your settings to ensure that Fortnite is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus is not interfering with the game. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with Fortnite multiplayer not working. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.